So I want to take just a moment and talk about quiz making. I have begun to make a quiz. I've put in some preliminary information about what a kid will need to know or do before the quiz. Learning resources go in here. And now if I go down to the bottom, I find that I can edit settings and edit quiz. Slightly different. Edit settings allows me to modify this text right here. And then edit quiz allows me to actually put in new questions. So that's what I'm going to do now, is put in a new question. And let's see, I'll go to add a question. The only reason I'm able to add a question right now is because nobody has already taken the quiz. Sometimes I have a sample student take a quiz, and once I've done that, then I can't add more questions or change things. So I had to delete that. I like short answer, and I like matching, especially matching if you have like 10 selections. So you really have to know what you're talking about, and guessing is not fruitful. Short answer, guessing is absolutely not fruitful because you need to spell it correctly and no options are provided. So I'm going to choose short answer for this one and go next. The question name in this case is on lyrical ballads. Don't worry about the fact that this might give the answer away. Kids don't see the question name. And now I'll go to my source and I'll get my questions. Who published lyrical ballads? And then I'll run down. Oh, I better tell the person more about what exactly answer I want. So, this might be understood to be which publishing house made lyrical ballads, or, one author, or maybe if the answer is William Wordsworth, and the student only put Wordsworth, well, the computer would mark that wrong. So I have to be very specific. I'll say two authors' names, only their last names. Okay. And then separated by space, no, separated by, for a sec, in this case there are two names, and so it doesn't matter. I can show you how to make two optional right answers, but it says two authors' names, only their last names separated by, let's see, the word and, like this, Laurel and Hardy, or Obama and Bush. So now we need to go down and say that the answer is, and I'll go grab the answer here, Coleridge and Wordsworth. So and I have to remember to spell it correctly. The case I've left unimportant up here, Coleridge and Wordsworth. So if they write that, it's 100%. Or if they write Wordsworth, Coleridge, and then that one is also worth 100%. Everything else that is written in, even a slight spelling mistake, will be counted as a 0 for this question. And I'm done. I have two questions. I can move them up and down with these arrows, delete them, bring in other questions from a data bank, and that's adding questions to a quiz.